Welcome back to our new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you set button navigation, guys, in iQOO phone. Guys, you want to set your button navigation mode in iQOO phone, guys, so you can set. In this video, guys, I will tell you about how can you set button navigation mode in iQOO phone. Guys, you want your back button here, so guys you can set your back button from here, guys. So today we are going to talk about, guys, button setting in iQOO phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then friends come on system, click here, guys, click on system navigation and guys scroll it. So guys, now you can see order of navigation key. So guys, click on this option. So guys, now you can see my back button is here and home button is here. So I think, friends, you have understood how to set button navigation mode in iQOO phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.